This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Polaris Slingshot. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Polaris Slingshot R with auto drive models shown. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you will find the headlights, accent lights, and LED light bar. The hood release lever is located underneath the center LED light in the lower grille. Pull upward to unlatch the hood. Then, pull back on the underside of the hood above the center LED lamp to open the hood. Behind the hood release lever is the radiator. At the front of the engine bay area is the headlight adjustment screws, air filter, and secondary fuse box. On the driver's side of the engine bay area is the brake fluid reservoir, fuse panel, and the maintenance sticker. In the center of the engine bay is the ignition coils, which sit over the spark plugs, engine oil fill cap, engine oil dipstick, and the AMT fluid reservoir. The passenger side of the engine bay contains a coolant overflow bottle and the battery. Moving to the interior, you'll find the adjustable seats. There is a lever on the bottom of each seat to allow forward and backward movement, and a lever on the side to allow the back to tilt. Tilt each seat forward to access the storage compartments. The compartments can be locked using the key that comes with the vehicle. Once in the driver's seat, you'll see the driver's side mirror, digital gauge with mode and navigation buttons, tilting steering wheel, turn signal lever with high beam controls, and paddle shifters. The steering wheel contains the horn and control buttons. The audio controls on the left side include 2 volume buttons, 2 track navigation buttons, and a play or pause button. The control buttons on the right side can be used to resume or increase cruise control speed, set or reduce cruise control speed, enable cruise control, switch ride command menu screens, and enable slingshot mode. In the driver's side footwell area are speakers. In front of the center dash is the windshield. The center dash contains the 7-inch display powered by ride command, engine start-stop button, electronic stability switch, hazard switch, interior light switch, center storage tray, and the USB port. Below that, you'll find the gear selector with reverse, neutral, drive, and manual modes, cup holders, another storage compartment under the armrest, and a parking brake. Between the seats is an accessory power socket and a battery charge port. Moving to the passenger side, you will find the passenger side mirror, a lockable glove box. Inside the glove box, you'll find another accessory power socket and a USB port. In the passenger footwell, there is a tab to open and close the air vent. Also, on the passenger side is a grab handle and speakers. Move to the back of the vehicle to find the drive belt and shock on the passenger side of the rear wheel, backup camera, and tail and brake lights. The fuel cap is located on the body behind the driver's seat. The front headlights feature an auto on and off control, as well as the high beams. The VIN label is located on the driver's side chassis frame near the footwell. It is also stamped under the windshield on the left side. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.